If you love creative fashion ideas and finding new ways to give old clothing a second life, you're going to love today's video. I'm sharing 50 plus amazing upcycled clothing ideas that transform pieces you already have into something fresh, stylish, and completely unique. Upcycling is a fun way to save money, reduce waste, and turn ordinary clothing into designs that feel personal and one of a kind. Throughout this video, you'll see a variety of creative transformations that show just how much potential your wardrobe really has. These ideas are perfect for anyone who enjoys sewing, creating handmade fashion, or simply looking for inspiration to refresh clothing that may no longer be getting worn. If you see a design that catches your eye, be sure to check out the Pinterest board linked in the description. There you can browse the ideas more closely, and depending on the source, you may find tutorials, patterns, or additional information to help you recreate the look. Sometimes, all it takes is a little imagination and a few simple changes to turn something forgotten into something you'll be excited to wear again. Be sure to watch all the way to the end because you might discover your next favorite project. Let me know in the comments which upcycled clothing idea inspires you the most. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join me as we explore these creative transformations. One of the most amazing things about upcycling clothing is that it completely changes the way you look at the pieces you already own. Instead of seeing an old garment that's been hanging in the closet for years, you begin to see possibilities waiting to be discovered. Every stitch, seam, pocket, collar, or zipper can become part of an entirely new design, and that's where creativity really begins. As you watch today's collection, think beyond the finished projects and imagine how you could adapt the ideas to match your own personal style. You might love the shape of one design, the details of another, and the finishing touches of a third. There's nothing that says you have to copy a project exactly. In fact, some of the most beautiful creations come from blending several ideas together into something completely original. That's one of the greatest advantages of sewing your own clothing. You become the designer. Every decision you make, from choosing colors and fabrics to adjusting the fit, or adding decorative details, creates something that no one else has. Upcycling also encourages you to experiment without the pressure of working with expensive materials. Since you're giving existing clothing a second chance, it's the perfect opportunity to practice new sewing techniques, improve your confidence, and discover what styles you enjoy creating most. Even projects that don't turn out exactly as planned often teach valuable lessons that make the next one even better. Before long, you'll find yourself noticing creative opportunities everywhere, and ordinary clothing will start looking like the foundation for your next favorite project. Every transformation becomes a reminder that a little imagination and a willingness to try something new can turn something overlooked into something truly special, making the creative journey just as rewarding as the finished piece itself. One of the best parts about becoming more confident with upcycling is realizing that your creativity grows with every project you complete. The more clothing you transform, the easier it becomes to recognize design possibilities you may have never noticed before. You begin thinking about how changing a neckline can create a completely different style, how adjusting a sleeve can give a garment a fresh personality, or how combining different textures and fabrics can produce something that looks professionally designed. Every project strengthens your sewing skills while encouraging you to trust your own ideas instead of following trends. There's something incredibly satisfying about wearing clothing that reflects your imagination because you know the finished piece is unlike anything you'll find in a store. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new techniques, or put your own spin on an idea that inspired you today. Some of the most memorable creations happen when you're willing to step outside your comfort zone and simply enjoy the process. Remember that every experienced sewist started by learning one project at a time, and every completed garment is another step toward becoming more skilled and more creative. I'd love to hear which transformation inspired you the most, so be sure to leave a comment below and share which idea you'd love to create first. If you're enjoying today's collection, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more sewing inspiration, creative fashion ideas, and upcycling projects. You'll also find tutorial videos in the description to help you build your sewing skills, along with related playlists filled with even more creative clothing transformations and sewing inspiration. Thank you so much for watching and spending part of your day with me. There is a video on the screen to watch next, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. I'll see you there.